how to change language in Honkai Star Rail game. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you're looking for a way to change your language setting on Honkai Star Rail, then the process is quite easy. First of all, go ahead and launch open your game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner, this one. And once you do that, you'll open up this expanded menu where you need to click on the gear icon on the right. You'll then be able to see this expanded menu where you'll need to click the language option on the fourth row and select the text language option. Tap the drop down right next to text and choose the different language you want to change to and click on download. You'll need to first download the language pack, choose the language you want to change to and click download, and the text language will be downloaded. Then you can select it to change to the language of your preference. So that is how you can change your language in Honkai Star Rail. After you select the language and change it, your game will restart in your preferred language. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.